Hey guys, welcome back. Brock with Arcan RV. I'm going to debut a brand new floor plan from Heartland Sundance here. It's called it's a 2021 Sundance 231. It's an interesting floor plan that gives you in a smaller little package that's lightweight, a couch and a dinette. But we'll check that out in a minute. Just going to kind of go through some features on the outside. So high-end features with Sundance, black painted automotive grade paint, fiberglass front cap here. You have your rock guard below and your power tongue jack, standard with two 20-pound propane tanks. And now they do also powder coat their frames as well. So over time, it's going to prevent some of that rusting. To say the least, our climate here in Alberta is a little harsh. That's just a good way of protecting the asset here from the factory. They do that powder coating. So on the back side here, you're going to have your Furion Solar Charge Connect here. So for any of those suitcase solar panels, this is a quick connection for them, directional towards the sun. Give you a little bit of trickle charging on your battery. And they really did a nice job this year with their pass-throughs. Very clean look. They added motion sensor LED lights to it. And you can see the construction of the Sundance with that aluminum framing that's going to be sitting right underneath your bed there. Extremely well supported. Magnet catch for your doors here, and they are a slam latch baggage door, 1 inch thick, very, very well insulated there. Laminated side walls here, very, very high-end features. You could hear that. There is no give to that. Try doing that to a couple other trailers, you'll be surprised exactly what happens. On the back side over here, you're going to have your 6-gallon DSI water heater, as well as your dump valves for your holding tanks. That's capable of producing just about 18 gallons of hot water on an hourly basis, more than enough for it being a couple's coach built for two. Your other connections are going to be back here, so they're going to give you an outside water source. So that's going to be your water source back here, as well as your city water and your black tank flush. This is a 30 amp connection. It has a detachable power cord, which is a fantastic feature. You're going to have your spare tire, as well as a backup camera prep by Furion above there. We bring these in with electric stabilizer jacks. You're going to have those on all 4 corners. You're going to have 2 sets of controls for the retract and the extension on your electric stabilizer jacks. Super easy and convenient, and they sit on really nice big pads there, so the unit's going to sit very, very sturdy on the ground, especially for a unit that, overall length is around 26.5 feet here on this one. It's going to be very, very sturdy once you have those down. Now you've got a 110 power source on the outside here if you wanted to plug anything in. Maybe you have a dinette table out here, and you've got your potable water fill on the outside here, so if you're filling up at home with your water, that's where that's going to go, as well as 15-inch aluminum wheels on this rig here. Now, all the Heartland product now is coming with a 3-year structural limited warranty, and this is an extended camping season unit here. So, not only are you going to have a laminated hard wall here with blockfoam, high-density blockfoam insulation on your walls, you're going to have Azdel, which in itself is a composite material that is water resistant, lighter weight, adds that extra additional insulation, and is environmentally friendly. So anytime you can be more environmentally friendly, try to do so. Sundance has done that there for you. You got the big grab handle, and then you've got your 3-step step above by MoreRide. It's got nice little clickers here, so you can adjust the size of the step just by simply pushing on these, retracting them, which before there was the pins and you had to play around with them and try to find the hole and figure it out, and then you get it down and you realize it's not the right height, then you bring it up and you do the same song and dance over and over again. This way it's just way easier, so nice little upgrade this year with Sundance. Friction hinge door on all of their units there. 40-50 kilometer-hour wind, it'll do just fine. And then you've got a full-length power awning on this unit. You're looking at about a 20-foot awning, basically the entire length of the trailer there for you. But let's hop in the inside. Outdoor speakers, and have a look at the inside of this unit. So small compact unit here, but a ton of openness and features inside here. We'll start with the bedroom here. I mean, you've got, because it is a shorter compact unit, you're not gonna have that separation, but they give you curtains, give you some privacy here, but you do get a true 60 by 80 queen size bed. Very, very nice cabinetry above the bed. It's gonna have the strut assist on there as well, so you can enter any items with 2 hands instead of 1, makes it a lot easier for you. This is all LED lighting throughout here. Your nice wardrobe kind of, so for your, I don't know, your coats or your sweaters, those kind of things. And then Sundance, instead of actually pulling up on the bed, has their pass-through below, and they just give you an open area there. So it's really nice if you've got big Rubbermaid bins that you're gonna store like your sheets for your bed in. Super easy to access, you just pull it out. It's right there for you, not having to goof around with the bed. Pretty cool feature. On the slide here, you're gonna have a tri-fold sofa. This is gonna fold out into a little double bed there for you. Really easy to do. You just take off the cushions, pull up from below, put out the legs, plop her down, plop that down, and you got yourself a bed. Decent sized bed, 2 people can fit on here, super comfortable. So while we're by the couch here, I just wanted you to notice that they've gotten rid of any carpet that's in the Sundances now. So this is a microfiber here. It's basically water resistant, stain proof. You're not gonna have to worry about that vacuuming anymore. You can just kind of sweep everything out with a broom and not worrying about any staining as well. And inside their windows, they went to a high-end MCD roller shade as well, which is a nice kind of higher end feature there. You're not gonna find that typically in travel trailers. You're gonna find more of those pleated blinds. So that's gonna keep everything darked out in here really, really nice. Little USBs in the back there. Now this is a pretty cool feature here. So this is your dinette. They're keeping it on the campside, which is great because that's typically where your view is going to be, or that's typically where you're going to want your view to be. But you get a little bench kind of style dinette here. You got your under the dinette storage, as well as your window on this side. But if you don't want the view, you can bring up your electric lift TV here as well, which is a pretty cool feature. So if you're not a TV person, don't worry, just leave it down. Then you got your view. Backside here, we're gonna start off with having an 8 cubic foot gas electric fridge in the Sundances. Now you can option out the 10.3 cubic foot gas electric, or sorry, the 12 volt fridge that runs basically off your batteries. You can have some sort of kind of solar panel to trickle charge that and continuously have that fridge running all the time. We've went with the 8 cubic gas electric option in this unit. So some really nice counter space. For a small unit here, the amount of counter space that you get in this unit is actually pretty good. You've got your 3 burner high output cooktop there. You got your nice little oven. You got your pots and pans down here below that you can use that for. And then you got a nice big storage compartment there. Bank of drawers back here as well. And plenty of counter space back here again. You got 2 windows, so letting in a ton of natural light. And then you've got your undermounted stainless steel sink here. It's just your single basin stainless steel sink there. Ton of room inside of that thing as well. Now, want to make sure that you know all the storage that this unit has. So I'm going to disappear into here. It is deep, very, very deep pantry storage in this unit here. I mean, the amount of storage in this small of a trailer is exceptional. Here's your controls for your furnace. And here's your bathroom. So you got a rectangular shaped shower, very nice size shower for a smaller unit like this. You're gonna have that nice little dome above for the taller folk. And then you're gonna have your medicine cabinet, little storage below the sink, and then your toilet and a couple places to hang some towels and what have you in the bathroom as well. Now, I wouldn't be doing the unit justice if I didn't talk about a couple of other higher end features on Sundance. So I'm just a little under 5'10". You can see how much space I've got above me here. This is a beveled ceiling on this. It's gonna sit on 5-inch roof trusses. So it's got great snow load, fully walkable roof. But what it does is it just gives you interior space that, I mean, is matched by not a lot else out there. And then on your floors there, you're gonna have 5/8 tongue and groove plywood floors in all Sundances. So an incredibly sturdy floor that I don't have any problem stomping my feet on, and I feel absolutely zero give. That's just the way that Sundance makes their units. They make them high quality every single time. So, but this is a brand new floor plan from Sundance called the 231, Brock from American RV. Thank you very much for stopping by again.